Most people use ChatGPT every day, but they are missing out on powerful settings that can completely change how it works for them. In this video, I'm gonna show you the hidden settings inside ChatGPT Web, especially the journal and notification sections, and how to set them up right away. Alright, we'll head over to our ChatGPT and start a new chat. And by the way, if you don't know how to set up your ChatGPT account, watch the video that I'll put in the description. It demonstrates how to set up your ChatGPT account. Alright, let's head over to our profile section and we select that icon and we go to the settings. Then we'll head over to the general settings. So we'll look at the appearance settings. Here it's by default, it's system by default, but we can either default it to dark or it's already dark. So you can default it to light. You see, it has changed to light. So I would prefer it to be system because my system is already dark. And we also have the contrast. Let's select let's try medium contrast. Let's try the increased. So I've set my contrast to increase, as you see. So the accent color, let's select the accent color. We can give it a, let's try to give it, let me see. Let's give it blue. As you see, our icons have changed to blue, this icon, then the upper button, then yeah. Let's select the language. We have different languages, as you see. We have English, we have France, that's Canada. Then we have all these languages. It depends on your location and it depends on the language that you wanna see display in your ChatGPT. But for instance, me, it's auto-detected, it's English because my system is English, my browser is English, so it's auto-detected. And also my location, English, yeah. All right, spoken language, we have Arabic, we have all these languages, but obviously it's English. Still, you can select basing on the language that you're comfortable with. Now, under voice, this is the voice that your ChatGPT will be playing, like the voice. For instance, you've turned on the voice mode. If it's hands-free, this is the voice that you'll be using. So you can select from all these basing on your interests. After selecting, you can play it and see.
Hello, it's lovely to meet you.
But for me, I prefer the other voice, this voice. That's what I prefer. Now we can enable separate voice. It will be in a separate full screen without real-time transcripts and visuals. So, all right, let's head over to our notification section. Now our codec still will get the push notifications. Then we have group chats. We receive notifications for new messages from groups. It's enabled. Then we also have the projects. This is by email. It's enabled. In case of any project notification, it will be delivered through the emails. So we also have the recommendations. Yeah, we shall be receiving the push notifications and the email notifications. So it will help us stay in a loop on new tools, tips, and features from ChatGPT. Then we also have responses. It will be under the push notifications, and we shall be notified when ChatGPT responds to requests that take time, like research or image generation, because sometimes you may generate an image and you will not be waiting. So you can minimize that task as you do other things till the image is done to generate, and the push notification will appear to show you that the image has been successfully created. Then we also have tasks. This is two-way. We have through push notifications and email. So be notified when, in case of any updates, as in what you've created. In case of any update, It will appear through the push notifications and email. The email helps us to get the history, to keep the records. In case maybe you missed out of a push notification, you can easily reach out through the email. So we also have the usage. So under the usage, you will get notifications when the limit reset for features like image creation. So we will get via push notifications and email. Alright, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and a subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.